All right, video 2 of the adventure on my mountain, where I came as a young fella escaping drugs and alcohol, escaping the patriarchy, because all the males around me, all the patriarchs, alcohol. Some of the patriarchs, drug dealers. Notice in the forest, I can't see any drug dealers or alcohol. It's very difficult to find alcohol here. But what you do find is just beautiful energy. And this is what I'm talking about, number 1. This is a work. So I've got work to do to get through this little adventure. And this is like being with a beautiful woman. This is being with the beautiful woman. It's called Mother Earth. Okay. And isn't it beautiful? Nature is something. Anybody worth a pinch of salt will tell you to get out in nature. So this type, because I've got this energy building, this passion for nature, passion for life, and also the thing with that's feminine energy. You let it do its thing.